Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can recover deleted Instagram chats. Let's get started. So open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon. Inside here, simply tap on this three-line icon. Now tap on Account Center. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on your information and permissions. And just like that, tap on Export Your Information. Now, you will be redirected to a page where you will need to sign in to your Instagram account again. After signing in, you can choose the account you want to export data from, and then Instagram will begin preparing your data download. This data export includes your messages, including chats you have deleted, and even messages deleted by other people, along with the media, search history, and other account information. Once the export is ready, you will be able to download it and view your recovered chat. That's it. That is how you can recover deleted Instagram chats using Instagram official data export feature. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.